Now, question number 14. The coordinates of a moving particle at any time t is given by x equal to alpha t cube, x equal to alpha t cube, and y equals to beta t cube, y equals to beta t cube. Then find the speed of the particle at a time t. So we are finding speed of the particle. What is the next? Displacement. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Its magnitude only speed. Okay, both are same only if it is straight line. So I am taking x equals to alpha t cube. I am taking this as first equation. Both sides I am doing differentiation. Then what happens? Differentiation of x with respect to t, that equals to differentiation of alpha t cube with respect to t. What is the x? Displacement. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. So you write this as velocity along x direction. So Vx I am writing. Alpha is the coefficient, so comes beside. Now remaining part what? Differentiation of t cube with respect to t. Now you apply the differentiation formula. What is the formula? This is the formula for doing differentiation. Differentiation of x power n with respect to x. What is the formula? N into x power n minus 1. That formula now I am applying here. Then what happens? Vx equals to, this implies Vx equals to alpha into, now compare here, n equals to 3, x equals to t, substitute 3 into, in the x place I am writing t power 3 minus 1. So velocity along x direction equals to 3 alpha into t square. This is my first equation. Velocity component came along x direction. Next we are finding along y direction. Here what he had given? He had already we had taken 1. So you take this as 2. Now again y equals to beta t cube, that I am taking third equation. Y equals to beta t cube. This is my third equation. Same way I am doing differentiation both sides. Applying differentiation both sides. Differentiation of y with respect to t equals to differentiation of beta t cube with respect to t. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Y means what? Along y direction. So Vy component. Here beta coefficient, so comes beside. Same like that only. Differentiation of x power n. 3 into, directly I am writing, 3 into t power 3 minus 1. Same formula. Now what is the Vy component? That equals to 3 beta into t square. This is my equation number 4. I know x component, I know y component. Now I am finding resultant velocity. So for that you learn the vector concept. For example, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is my origin. Here I am taking one velocity vector. Then what happens? It is making theta angle. Then it is dissolving into two components. One is Vx and another one is Vy. One is Vx, another is Vy. If it is Vy, this also becomes as Vy. So now what we are writing? Addition of vectors. V equals to Vx vector plus Vy vector. So you write this as velocity vector equals to Vx vector plus Vy vector. Addition of vectors. Parallel to this Vy. Now otherwise you write this as, what is the Vx magnitude? Vx along x direction what I am taking? I. Magnitude Vy along y direction what I am taking? J. So this is my velocity vector. If you want magnitudes, apply formula directly. This is like hypotenuse. So that equals to Vx square plus Vy square. Hypotenuse square equals to adjacent square plus opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So that concept I am applying. Then what happens? V square equals to Vx square plus Vy square from right angle triangle. That you apply. What is the Vx? 3 alpha t square. Substitute here. So this implies V square equals to, this is 3 alpha t square plus Vy. What is the Vy? 3 beta t square. 3 beta t square. Totally I am taking 3 t square common. Now this implies V square equals to 3t square I am taking common. Now what came remaining? Alpha plus beta. Now I want velocity. V equals to plus or minus square root of 3t square into alpha plus beta. For example, this is not a velocity. If it is speed, what happens? Only plus happens. Velocity means it may be positive, may be negative. Speed is always magnitude. So V equals to, what happens if it is speed? T comes outside. So T into root 3 into alpha plus beta. That is the speed of the particle and this is the velocity of the particle. So this is the difference between that and this. Velocity means it may be plus or minus, depends upon direction because it is a vector velocity. Speed means always magnitude only. So speed always becomes plus.